Hi, this is Paul from Auction Masters. We're in Ramsey, Minnesota, and we're here at our Classic Cars, Collectibles, and Tools auction. I'm going to give you the tour. We've got some nice tools here. Lots of different welders, TV. Now, there's a lot of different collectibles. We've got ships, model cars, all these sweet die-cast model cars. This guy was very busy, but unfortunately all this needs to move. So I'm going to show you the really cool stuff outside. We've got some Steins over here, the Rat Pack, different cleaning machines. Now over here we've got the Buick Invicta, 1961 Ford Thunderbird. There are this chassis here, and then parts from two other parts cars go with this. There's enough parts to build one awesome car. Outside in the yard, let's take a step back in time. I should have been staying here for the last couple days while we were setting this up. But we've got Oldsmobile Super 88. We got to get closer to this Ranchero. This is a 1958 Ford Ranchero. This thing is so cool. We've actually got two Rancheros, but these are all what you call a barn find. These have been in that barn for the last 20 years, and finally they've come out to see the light to go home with one of you. So make sure you guys stay tuned to auctionmasters.com. This auction is going up online for live bidding online, and this is closing Monday, July 25th at 6 p.m. So make sure, stay by the computer, rev it up. We'll see you soon. Thanks.